Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a clip-in installation. These clip-ins are from HerGivenHair. I got the 16-inch set in 3C4A. As y'all see later, my sister's hair is blonde, so she had to go through and bleach these twice, but the curl pattern didn't change and they were still extremely soft. So, you know, that's a plus, because sometimes when you dye hair, the curl pattern loosens up and it gets brittle or whatever, but these did not do that. She did record that process, so let me know down below if you're interested in seeing it, and you know, I can make that happen. But what you see right here is me co-washing the hair. It was super easy to detangle and it was super soft. I did notice a little bit of shedding as I was combing through and styling these, but you know, that's to be expected with some tightly curly hair. It wasn't extreme, but I did notice it a little bit. The only two products I used were the Kinky Curly Not Today and the curling custard that they have. And those are literally the best products I've ever tried for wash and go on my hair and on my sister's hair. But yeah, that's the only two products I used. I just went through, sprayed her hair with the spray bottle and used the conditioner, and then went back over it with the curling custard. And it's super bomb when you use them together. Y'all will see, like, it works super good. But yeah, I just brushed through her hair, added in the clip-ins, brushed through it a little bit more, and moved on. This whole process literally took like 15-20 minutes. It was super easy. Okay, one thing that is key to the perfect clip-in installation is making sure that they match. Like, your hair and the clip-ins need to be very similar in order for it to look perfect. And I feel like the whole point of clip-ins is like it to be super easy. You just put them in and that's it. So just make sure you get something that match your hair. They have so many different options, like literally from a loose curl all the way to like a super tight curl. So go on their website, choose the ones that look like your hair, and they're gonna turn out bomb, I promise. Okay, so while y'all are watching this, I just wanted to talk about my channel. Like, what do y'all want me to upload? What do y'all want to see? What do y'all want to see less of, more of? I'm thinking of uploading 2 or 3 times a week. I know y'all seen I've been coming at it with the uploads. Like, I uploaded like 5 times last week, but I'm gonna try to be more consistent, do like 2 or 3 a week. Let me know what y'all think and the suggestions y'all have. I get tired of posting the same videos over and over, so I need some new ideas. Let me know. Alright y'all, my sister's hair literally blended in so perfect with this. Like, we were so surprised. Like, it looks so good. We could not tell the difference between her hair and the weave. Y'all will see. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram under the same name, Braids by Shania. I post on there way more often, and I give y'all little tricks and little, you know, snippets on my stories. So make sure you go on Instagram and follow me. Alright y'all, so right here I'm using some mousse, and this made a humongous difference. After we put that mousse on there and brushed it down, it was a wrap. Like, that was her hair. But after I put this mousse on there, she put her scarf on, woke up the next morning, and it looks so cute. You cannot tell the difference. Like, we were both in awe and just so shocked because you could not tell the difference. It looked exactly like her hair. Alright y'all, that's it. This is the final result. Let me know what you think down below, and like this video if you want more. If you want to see some more styles, you know, how to style these clip-ins, let me know down below because that would be a fun video to do. But yeah, like this video, subscribe if you want to see more, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.